Hello everyone, my name is Riley and welcome back to XSP Green Monster channel. This is going to be a little bit of a different video. In this video I am going to be doing something that's not really related to my car at all. It's more related to YouTube and starting up social platforms, and that is going to be a road to monetization. So this is hopefully going to be a big series. I'm going to do this about every week or every 2 weeks, probably right now at least every 2 weeks because my channel is growing slowly since it's small. But I figured I only have one opportunity to go through this, and I figured I might as well do it. I think it'd be an interesting video and just an interesting log, at least for me, to go back and look at it as well to kind of see like what I was doing, like what I was trying to do. So I'm going to be trying to run through, just in this first video, kind of what I'm doing and the struggles with starting up new YouTube channels or new social media platforms. So I will get some info here quickly. Okay, so I started the YouTube channel, as some of you may know, on January 14th of this year, and I've been wanting to do it for a little while. I just thought that I've kind of, with my car audio and everything, I've had a lot of interesting things I'd like to document and show with other people, because I always go onto YouTube to look up how to do a lot of this stuff, and some of the ways that I do things aren't the same as everyone else, and I thought that maybe this could be more helpful information or just useful information. Just another link that you can go to if you're wondering how to like fiberglass stuff or how to do installation, stuff like that with my truck. And I'm constantly working on it, so I know I'd always have content basically. So I started on January 14th. It is now March 9th. So it's been almost 2 months, and as of right now I am at 41 subscribers on my YouTube channel. And how I started off with was basically I made a post on my Instagram, since my Instagram is my largest social media platform, so I kind of took advantage of the fact that I already had a large social media platform, hopefully just to get the channel off its feet, because I know it's starting up. Any social media can be extremely hard. My Instagram is a good example of that. It took me months to get above 100 on Instagram, and Instagram it's a little bit easier to gain followers, I think, than YouTube. So coming into this, I knew that it was going to be very difficult to gain followers quickly, and it's kind of true with any social media platform, is that it's the beginning of social media can be extremely difficult to keep pushing yourself to keep posting stuff, so you have to be doing it for a right reason. As a lot of people have said, you have to be doing it for the right reason. You have to have a want to do it to be able to keep going, because the channel growth, social media platform growth is extremely slow. It's very slow. These things grow very slowly. You're trying to gain views, and the way that these algorithms work, the more views and the more likes and the more everything that you have on any social media platform, the higher up gets posted on other people's feeds. So it's very hard to get started a small channel, so there's a couple things you can do. One of them being, which is what I did, is that YouTube has the option to promote videos, which is something that I thought would be a good idea for me, just to help me kind of get the ball rolling on the YouTube channel, just to help me gain a couple subscribers, get my channel out there a little bit. And as if you have a YouTube video, you can go down in the edit settings and you can hit promote, and it does cost some money. You're basically paying to have your video aired as an ad, or in the like trending now in the like view this video next box. So I did that. I just did like 2 small, they call them campaigns, ad campaigns. So I just did 2 small ad campaigns on 2 of my videos, which if you go on my channel, those are the ones obviously with much more views than any of the others. And I just did that, and it helped a lot. It actually gained me quite a few subscribers. It gained me a couple people to start watching video, which I do think that was great. And obviously it came at a cost to me, but I think it was completely worth it to get my channel off the ground. The other thing is, if you already have a large social media platform, I would highly recommend using that social media platform. On my Instagram, I'm sure if any of you guys follow my Instagram, you've seen that I've been posting on my story a lot when I'm putting up new videos, and I've been posting about new videos and the story, which I don't necessarily like doing, because I feel like I built my Instagram first, and I have a dedication to those Instagram followers to be posting content on my truck and not just posting about my YouTube channel. But I put up a couple things like just asking, like, you know, are you guys okay with me posting this? Like, I don't want this to be just YouTube. And I've been trying to make sure that I post mostly just stuff I'm doing on my car. works out that a lot of stuff I'm doing in my car coincides with my YouTube videos, so I've just started adding in at the bottom of descriptions like video coming out on this soon, which I think has worked out really well. But if you have a large following on any social media platform, it is good to use that because that can gain more traffic onto your channel. I know that basically everyone with a large YouTube has this. Everyone I know who has one of the bigger YouTube channels, like 100,000 subscribers or more on YouTube, they use social media to their advantage because they can get it out to more people. So a big thing is just going to be you want to get it out to as many people as you can. And the other one is, excuse me, like I was talking about, they do have to be extremely dedicated to it. So a big thing is that you just need to post constantly. There are a couple channels out there that have like a video every month or so, and you know, they get like a couple big booms in videos. But with YouTube's new monetization policy, where it's 1,000 subscribers in the last 12 months, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, you really need to be posting consistently. The more videos you have out on YouTube, the more videos there are for people to click on, which means the more views that you are gaining per day and the more chance you have of one of those videos reaching a possible subscriber. So a big part of this is just going to be, especially for me, is to keep posting every day. I've been trying, I think I've been pretty good about posting once every 3 days or once every 2 days. So I'm continuing to try and do that. I have 25 videos out right now over 2 months. So yeah, it's about once every 2 days for me. I haven't been worrying too much about the length of each video because I'm just trying to get content out there. I'm just putting out every content. I'm kind of working on like testing different things. There's going to be a couple of vlog episodes coming up here soon, which will be interesting. And I'm not sure how I feel about doing the vlog, but I will figure out because I got some cool stuff coming up that I'm doing on spring break that I think you guys will really enjoy. So yeah, it's a lot about testing different things, and I'd say if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, don't be afraid to start a YouTube channel, even if you're afraid with working with video editing software or something along those lines. I am absolutely terrible at using video editing software. I basically ask Emmy for anything that I need to be done in software because she's more familiar with all this, but I would say not to be afraid to use the software because most of it is fairly straightforward and you can still put out a pretty good video, at least one that will get people's attention without crazy editing software. So, or without doing a crazy amount of editing, like even just putting clips together and putting some transitions between the clips will make a big difference. So I'd say that nicer cameras can help. You can always, SpeedSpeed 717 films on his GoPro. Most people use Canons, 5Ds, and something like that. I am using Canon. This is Emmy's. She just lets me borrow it since it is a very nice camera and she has an external microphone. So that's nice that I have the ability to do this, but you can really record anything. You could do it on your phone. Like you saw, I had some footage on my phone. It definitely wasn't terrible footage. It's not as high of quality of footage, but it's still, you could still easily do a YouTube channel on your phone. And I know that even iPhones at least have video editing software already built in. They have iMovie on them. So you can really do it all on your phone if you want to. And that's really the big thing, is that if you want to do it, just go out there and do it. It took me so long to start this, and I'm so happy that I started YouTube now. And like, it's really great to finally be putting out some more content on my truck, feeling like I'm reaching more of the followers on Instagram and giving them more content to look at. So I'd say if you want to do it, just do it. All you gotta do is post a couple videos. They don't have to be long videos. You can just do them a couple minutes. It doesn't take too long. A lot of my videos in the beginning were just like I try and film the whole thing through, intro to outro, and just very minimal edits. I just like cut out some of the things that, like if I coughed or did something weird. And now I'm trying to do more of like different shots and moving the camera around and just kind of playing with it. So I'd say when you're starting a YouTube channel, don't worry about being perfect, because it doesn't need to be perfect to get the attention of people. And that's really like, you want to be putting out good content the whole time, but when you're just starting, it's more important to just get content out there. And then once you're established that, then you can really focus on like putting out the best content that you can. Or at least that's my opinion on it. I know a couple people might disagree with me that if you put out any content, it should always be the best content you can. But I think that really when you're starting, when you don't know how to film, you don't know how to edit, it's more important to just keep putting out footage, and you're going to be learning as you're doing all this. I'm learning a lot as I'm doing this, so I think that's very important. And then the last thing that I just want to touch on is the people that inspired me to do this. A big one is Tofu Gaming. And I'm not sure if that's kind of like a completely different like aspect of my life, is that I used to play a lot of Minecraft when I was little, and I like still enjoy playing Xbox, stuff like that, and I got into Tofu while he was a little bit smaller of a channel. I think I subscribed to him before he was even at like 30,000 subscribers, and now he's at like 1.2 million or something. But he kind of got me to do it. I know him kind of personally, and he is just, his dedication to his channel really inspired me to keep working to at least start a YouTube channel, or to try starting a YouTube channel. So a couple other people, and most of these people I've actually followed since before they were at 100,000, is Mike at StreetSpeed717. I think he makes great car channel content. I love his daily vlogs, watch him all the time, and the Stradman was also a big one. And both of them have kind of videos on like you should start YouTube channels, and they were huge influencers to me starting, and also my girlfriend Emmy pushed me a lot to do it, and I really did appreciate that, because it was kind of like everything came together, and I finally had like the break job, and I was like, this is the video to start if I'm going to start this. So that's kind of where I'm at on it. Like I said, I'm going to be trying to do this like bi-weekly, and the next videos would be kind of more updates of like what's going on, like how the channel's been doing, what I've been trying to do that's new. So it'll probably be pretty short videos. I'm not expecting these to be super long, like probably after this one, maybe just like 4 to 5 minutes, just nice and short, so you can just like see where I'm at. And it's just gonna be a road to monetization. So it will end when I get monetized at that 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in 12 months, which this could be a year, it could be 2 years, it could even be 5 years, it could be 10 years. So I'm not sure how long this is gonna take. Obviously I'm trying to put out a lot of content. I have a lot of pre-record videos. I have a lot of great new content coming for you guys soon. I can't wait for you guys to see what I'm doing over spring break. It's gonna be awesome, very extremely car related. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If this inspired you to start a YouTube video or helped you, please give it a big thumbs up, or if you just enjoyed it, please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.